Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. I'm on the bridge, and bridge is kind of both side of the railway stations. And this video, I'm going to show the bridge and also something more like that. This bridge I talk, but this is my first time I'm on this bridge, and I will say more. I hope this video must help you to understand and how to grow your channel, how to speak in any kind of situation. So let's get it started. First of all, I will show my surroundings. Behind me, there are some employees who are taking the rest here, and after having their lunch, they will start working here. They are now repairing, and some other construction work they are doing by them. So I'm just middle of it. Behind me, there is a child. So behind me there is a child. I wanted to talk to him, but actually right now he's leaving this place. By the way, so I'm just chilling here, and this is very decorated, well decorated structure, and very designed. Their construction also very good, because if you see my surroundings, there's a light, the design, the implications, and how to keep this bridge very good for next 10-15 years. They employed this. If you see something more like that here, this is steel. It's called ispat, which is very hard. Then you cannot break this without hammer. So it can easily say it is very hard structure. It was built with very great destruction, very different things. And if I show more, this is the one kind of sighted area. There are some person can stay here. This place is also popular around this, not only this around this local person, but also out of this districts. People come here because behind this is the highway, and for this reason, economically, socially, and some other things, our districts is becoming more developed day by day, or being developed day by day. So I'm showing the more things about this bridge. I hope this video must help you. And this is my left side, the last point of this bridge. Beside this, the highway, and also behind me, this is the stairs to go down. And I am going to down here very soon. And very beautiful here, especially when you come here in the evening time. You will get the pleasure, get the fresh air. Also, this is very fresh here, but sounds of the birds is one kind of disturbs you, but it's a natural thing. When you see your surroundings, you will feel the real happiness from here. This is the happiness, or this is the hunger. Like what kind of plenty of happiness in here. Right now I'm going down here, and I am like walking on the pedestrians and something more like that. And it is very beautiful place for me. And long time later I have come here, but never visited in my life before. So I hope this video must help you. And how much have you learned from this video? If you learn a one drop of knowledge, of course you can like this video to get this type of more video in the future. Very harsh sounds of total bus in this area. It's going to Dhaka city. It is stopped Jatrabari at Pakistan. So I hope this video must help you. Goodbye for now. I'll come back the next video. Assalamualaikum.